Hi guys, welcome to a very short tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to prevent gaping on a Queen Anne neckline, especially a Queen Anne neckline that does not have a bustier cutting. If you notice, this does not have a bustier cutting, and if you notice at my chest area, there's a little bit of gaping, though it is not very noticeable, but there's still a small gaping there. So this is the second outfit I made, and I prevented gaping on this one. So I will show you how to do that right now.
So guys, when I first made this outfit, I noticed a little bit of gaping around this area. So I noticed a little bit of gaping around this area. So this was how the pattern is initially. So this is how the pattern is. So what I did was to take about half inch here. So after taking the half inch here, this is my bust line. This line here is my bust line. So this is my arm also. As you can see that it's not getting to the bust line. So I slash it open, then I will cover it. So when you are pinning, pin this part down first. So you pin this down, you close this up. See, I've pinned this down. So after pinning it down, you see that this one here, it has increased. So what I'll be taking out from this side now will increase. So because we are transferring it, so I'll just keep marking. So on the fabric, when I want to cut it out, I will also note that on the fabric. And if you check the neckline area too, it has changed. Before, the neckline should be wide like this, but it has changed. So now then you go ahead and cut your neckline with the half inch allowance. With the half inch allowance all through. So for the side, I'm working with 1.5 inches. So in allowance, 1.5 inches. So go back to that. So for this part here also, so you don't have to experience any gaping. Whatsoever else this side. So go ahead. So go ahead and cut it and transfer and also. So when I fold this in, it will be back and the gaping will be gone at this area.
So after that, the next thing you will just do is to go ahead and cut the pattern on the fabric. You cut the pattern on the fabric, transfer your darts, and when you are sewing, just take out all the necessary darts you need to take out. And this is the outcome. Trust me, there was no gaping at the neckline of this outfit. So in case you haven't seen the full tutorial where I drafted the pattern, where I sewed these outfits, so I'll be linking it in the comment section for you to see, or you can just ask me in the comment section and I will send you the link to the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.